What's up, Kings? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a nappy foolery video. Have y'all seen the headband wig? It's trending, it's popular, and your girl got one, okay? HerGivenHair sent me their headband wig, and I am here for it, okay? In this video, I did 3 different styles. Clearly, this is one of them. But let me tell you, Kings, it was not easy getting to this look, but I thank God I made it. I made it. Let's get into this foolery. NappyFu checking in. Let go. Psalms 100 verses 4 to 5. Enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him and bless his name. For the Lord is good and his faithful love endures forever. His faithfulness through all generations. May the Lord bless the reading of his wonderful word. Amen. Welcome back, Team Kings. Thanks for letting me be all up on your screen for another wonderful Sunday. If you have yet to see me on your screen, I hope you enjoyed today's video and join Team Kings by subscribing. All right, so today's sponsor is HerGivenHair. I am using their Coily headband wig in 14 inches. I use this mousse right here to define these coils, and that's why it is popping. The headband wig has definitely been going around all over YouTube, Instagram, everybody in mama house, everything, okay? From my understanding, I think it's like a shortage of lace, so they improvised and came out with the headband wig, which low-key is like the half wig, but amplified. I'm just saying. As you can see, you have your wig cap on the inside, and instead of having a lace front or a closure on the edges, you got a headband with Velcro, okay? So the Velcro part that attaches to the soft part is a bit shorter. Just want to let y'all know, so when you do attach it to each other, you're going to have some part that hangs like so, like that, okay? A little flappity wappity, but don't worry. It actually does not scrape against your neck, or none of your hair actually gets attached to the Velcro part. And maybe that's why they didn't make the sticky part as long as the soft part. Possibly. I don't know. But here we are. Coils popping. I'm ready to try this wig out. At the time of this video, I have yet to wear this. All I did was wash and define it the day before, and now I'm going to actually try it out. Okay, so let's get into these styles. I managed to come up with a few styles, and I hope you like it. All right, so we are going to start off with my hair being set. Okay, all up on your screen. Come on, African queen. Looking like a house girl. Oh my gosh. Anyway, the night before I did set my hair. Okay, all right, NappyFu. I did set my hair by braiding the part that I want to leave out. I watched a couple of videos on this wig, and I realized the way I like it the most is when my hair is left out, or when the hair is left out. It just gives for a better blend. But because it's a headband wig, I want to embrace its original design to rock that headband. So putting it straight on my head, letting that headband flow, this is what I got. Hey, what? Okay, girl, no. Come on now. No, let me fix it, adjust it. So what I'm doing is just making sure it's even on both sides, making sure the part that stops at my ear is even on both sides. And then I'm going to take the Velcro part, attach it in the back. And you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm tucking it underneath the comb, okay? And first impression is, so this, ooh. Ready? Seriously, if I wanted to just stop here, I'll be good, because this is a hairstyle on its own. It's cute, it's simple, it took me less than 5 minutes, and I'm here for it, okay? The headband matches my outfit. I have black in my little dress. This was one of the quickest styles from a wig I have ever had. I don't need to lay nothing. I don't need to got to be nothing. Girl, I'm just saying, we loving it, okay? We loving it so much that I was inspired to keep on trying some other styles. So here we are, the style number 2. I'm going to call it the disguiser because, well, you're about to see. Now for this style, I am going to use my leave out, and I'm going to hide the cloth, the headband. Yes, I want to try to disguise it and have it look as if the hair is just blending from my scalp. Okay, even though it's the wig into my hair. So that's what I'm calling the, disguiser. You get it? Okay, great. So I'm folding the headband underneath so that it makes for a better blend from my hair to the wig. That's the goal. All right, my braid is down and now it's time to just manipulate a little bit here, a little bit there, do a little defining here, a little brushity here, a little something like that here, a little something like that there. Okay, you get what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to make it look like they are seamlessly together. One union. Okay, yes, you can still see my headband underneath, but I think this was Thanksgiving, so I was going to my mom and daddy house. Wasn't no wind gonna be hitting me, so I didn't mind my outsides or my edges being out like that. Okay, but I like it. I like how it blends. It just looks like, wow, is that her hair? Yeah, it is. You ain't gonna tell me that it's not. As well as I disguise that sucker, it sure is my hair. Okay, I love it. I love the volume. I just like how it just flows right in. Okay, now this is when I braided my hair, so I decided to try it again the next day. So style number 3, the disguiser, part 2. And instead of braiding, I twisted and I left more out. So I left more hair out, have my edges out. I 2-strand twisted. This time I'm going to take the combs and put it underneath the cap, not my hair, but underneath the cap. So the combs are not into my hair at all. It's underneath that cap and they stay in place. And once again, I'm going to fold my headband under to, disguise. Okay. Untwisting everything. Now, the goal is that whenever this hair moves, I do want people to see nothing but hair. No wig cap, none of the headband, nothing like that. Just see hair on the left, on the right, and on top. So I'm going to take my bobby pins and bobby pin it going straight up and not straight back, okay? All right, so untwisting my front. Now I'm going to work on blending them together, make them look married, like they're happy to be together. They've been married for 25 years type of vibes, okay? And this is what we are working with. If the wind hit me on the right, if the wind hit me on the left, or if the wind hits me in the front, nothing but hair. That's what we're going for. Now, do y'all see what I see? Like it blends, but does it blend like how it did with the braids? Not so much, right? So yeah, just keep that in mind. If you're going to do this, braiding your hair in front, 4C hair texture, better blend. In my opinion, okay? Style number 4, whenever you have this issue, whenever contour is not wanting to cooperate and disguise itself into the weave that I'm using, then you know what's next to do? Some type of updo. So I'm calling this the fluff and puff because, my hair is fluffy and puffy. That's all it is. So I'm going to take my bobby pins out. Now, in the beginning of the video, I told you it's a struggle to get to the fluff and puff style. It really was because I don't know about y'all, but I'm tender-headed. People say tender-headed is not a real thing. You can't tell that to somebody who is tender-headed, okay? My scalp sensitive. Like the way you feel a comb in your head is not how I feel the comb. It's a totally different vibe. And then on top of that, this type of hairstyle, I'm trying to grab not just my hair, but also the hair of the weave. So I'm trying to blend everything together, grab as much hair from the weave, but not too much because you want it to look somewhat natural, not have so much on top and it just looks awkward. You don't want that, right? So now I'm trying to make sure the ratio is proportioned right. My arms are hurting, as you can see. I stopped a couple of times because I was just like, "Ooh, this is hurting me. Lord God, please be my strength." Do a couple of brushing and everything. And that part is why I say it was a struggle, okay? Because my arms hurt. It wasn't getting as smooth as I wanted to. I kept on having to rebrush and re-smooth, grab a little more hair, rebrush, re-smooth, grab a little bit more hair. It was a whole ordeal. And by the end of the day, I had extra biceps and triceps. That's all I'm saying. But anywho, got it up into a ponytail. Finally, that is. And when I saw the style, I was like, oh, okay. I liked it. I just had to get a little bit more definition to it and blend better yet, I had to get my hair out the way. But I was like, okay, I'm here for it. I'm getting a little bit of Coming to America vibes, shorter in length. Of course, her hair was a lot longer. But anywho, what I wasn't feeling was how my hair, how contour was not looking smooth. You can't even tell that I put edge control on that sucker. So I decided, you know what? Okay, let me not be lazy. If I'm going to do this, let me do this all the way. So I said, let me take it back down. But then the reality hit that, you know what? You can't do it the same way you just did. Your arms almost broke off. So I decided to work smart, not hard. I thought to myself, how would it be if I were to just take my natural hair, okay, get it more defined, put some water on it, make it more, for me to be able to manipulate it some, brush it up, get that part smooth and flat, then take my ponytail holder and basically get that ponytail together. Is that a word? I don't even know. But you can see there's a difference. It's already looking smoother, which is the goal I'm looking for. That what's on the right, that was the goal. So now what I'm going to do is grab the wig, gather some hair from, the left, from the right, and from the middle, and then I'm going to add it to my already ponytailed section. I'm just going to take a rubber band and put it around it one time. And doing it this way, y'all, oh my gosh, when I say it was so much easier, so much more gentle on my actual scalp, gentle on my biceps and triceps, and I'm liking the results, okay? And I just went ahead and put up more edge control and define that front, and look at what we're working with, y'all. Yeah, I'm liking it. This is what I was going for. If I wanted to add a little bit more hair on top, I could, but I was actually liking the amount of hair. I felt like it gave me more of a natural look. I'm just going to take some hairpins and pin the side. Again, when the wind blows, I don't want to be clocked, you feel me? So I'm just saying, when I rocked it like this, I had a lot of my friends thinking, okay, girl, look at your hair. I said, yep, look at it. All right. So she's done. Oh, wait. No, girl, get that face together. Boom. Okay. Come on, natural. Soft beat. Makeup, no makeup type of vibe. Okay. So happy with the second way I did this half up, half down technique. It was so much easier to where I know you're going to see this style quite a few times. Okay. Now, of course, if I want to take it to the next level, why not actually use a headband? Okay. This is one of the cute headbands they sent me, cheetah print and some other styles as well. If I wanted to just this one up, I can use this headband. And if I want to make sure this headband is well seen, then guess what? All I'm going to do is take the ponytail and puff it down, or basically roll it and pin it down. And guess what I have? Another hairstyle. What's this, number 7 or number 6? Yes. Ooh, come on, headband. Oh yes, I'm loving the headband wig, y'all. This is cute. These headband wigs are easy. Talk about get up and go. Yes, Lord. Okay, I love me a quick little hairstyle. Okay, pop up, out. Well, technically these two styles wasn't a pop up and out. Took a little time, but we got there. However, the headband wig, just as it is, as you can see here, is a pop on and go, okay? And if you set your hair the night before, so are these two looks. Simple. The headband wig is definitely made for the woman on the go. HerGivenHair sent me quite a few options for headbands, okay? I kind of wanted to use this wig in a way that I know I would typically use this wig. And I know most times I'm not going to be wearing headbands. I'm not comfortable with accessories, y'all. If y'all ever notice my videos, none of them involve any type of dazzling, bezazzling, bejewelering, any part of my hair. I just haven't tapped into that world, but I'm going to, okay? So make sure you are subscribed. In my next video, I will do hairstyles that will utilize headbands, okay? For us who are not really into accessories, you already know this might be a challenge, okay? So if y'all wanna rock me, if y'all wanna watch me struggle a bit, but hopefully get it in the end, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell right next to it so you're notified when I'm back on your screen, okay? I'm just saying, what you waiting for? But I am happy that I tackled the half up, half down with the headband wig, because if there's one thing you know about my channel is that I normally review full wigs, lace wig, full lace wig, half lace wig, and clip-ins. So to do basically a half wig that has a headband attached to it, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this is opening a whole new world for me, because this thing is, let me get closer to y'all. It's easy, okay? My gosh, it's so easy. I am loving it. Y'all saw how I styled the first 2 times? That took me less than 5 minutes. So if you need some quick out the door, I got 5-10 minutes to get ready to go to work, invest in one of these headband wigs, y'all. It gives you 2 options. You can use it as a actual headband wig, like so, like that, or you can use it to blend and do a certain style, like this, or like that. Okay, 2 styles, no headband showing, but it's still the same wig. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So make sure you check out HerGivenHair. I'll put the link in the description box to check out their headband wigs. They have different textures. They have the blowout one, they have the 4C, they have the 4B, they have the 4A, and so on, girl. Just check them out. They got you covered. So I am loving this half up. Girl, let me go ahead and record some more videos. Let me go to Target, Walmart. Somebody gonna see me, okay, with my Africa shirt on. Okay, so, I mean, don't mind her. Anyway, we have come to today's Napchat question. I want to know from you, what is one of your favorite ways to quickly style your hair? Whether it's going to involve attachment like a wig or weave, or with your actual hair. For me, the headband wig has definitely taken space #1, okay, when it comes to using a wig to quickly style. Now with my own natural hair, I think my favorite quick hairstyles to do might be a low bun or a puff. Those are super easy for me and it's still cute. What are yours? Let me know in the comment box below. Trust me, your response would definitely help another natural out. Thanks in advance. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch you on the next one. Until then, my sister, my cousin, my brother, my friends, remember, Team Kinks, I said remember, in order to have healthy hair, got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful.